In the previous lecture, we learned about block level and inline elements. In this lecture, we're going to learn about HTML forms. An HTML form collects data from each element's value attribute and submits it to a web server. It can also retrieve data from the web server as well. So let's define a form here, just like this. Um, and to use a form, you need at least two attributes, the action and the method. So we're going to add the action attribute here. And the action attribute specifies the location into where the form will be processed. Okay. Now, the method attribute, let's add the method attribute. The method attribute tells the browser what method to use, either post or get. The post method sends data to a web server in a secured way. However, the get method also sends data to a web server, but through the action attribute, and it's displayed in the address bar, which is not a secured way. So this is a form element here, and you can add some form elements such as inputs or buttons, that will take data to a web server. That is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're going to look at form elements, what goes inside of these forms.